How to increase video speed in Capcut PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can increase the video speed in Capcut. So in order to increase the video speed in Capcut, either you're doing it from the web browser or you're using a mobile phone or an application, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. The first thing, you have to go and log into your Capcut account. And once you're logged in, you need to begin by selecting a new project or existing project. And then you need to tap on the video to access the speed button located at the bottom of the screen. Now you need to click on the speed icon to open the video speed bar. Speed bar to adjust the playback speed of the video. The available speed range is from 0.1 into 100x. Then you can adjust your video speed to precise level. You can also use the speed bar to experiment as well. So that's how you can increase video speed in Capcut. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.